A big hello to all the dedicated healthcare professionals out there. I'm Latha Balasundaram, Head of Physiotherapy Department, Fernandez Hospital, and a Lamaze Certified Childbirth Educator. I'm thrilled to share some exciting insights with you about the upcoming Better Birthing Experience Conference, set to take place on the 4th and 5th of November in this vibrant city of Hyderabad. During this conference, I will be leading a hands-on workshop focused on optimal fetal positioning. We will dwell into understanding the biomechanics of how the thighs, pelvis, and spine can contribute to facilitating a safe and easy birth. You will learn techniques, exercises, and positions that can make space and help the baby assume an optimal fetal position through the antenatal period, facilitate baby's descent through the inlet, the mid-pelvis, and the outlet through the intrapartum period, and lastly, facilitation of normal birth with the use of different alternative birthing positions, their advantages and their disadvantages. So let's make a meaningful difference together. Mark your calendars and see you all soon.